Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Agnes from JOYDELL. Today, we are in Caterpillar factory and I'd like to show you the CAT 307CR mini excavator. This is a small machine, but it is very strong. Let's take a closer look. The 307CR has a CAT C2.5 Turbo engine, which has 36.5 kilowatts. The weight is about 7 tons, so it is not too heavy and not too big. This size is good for city jobs and small work sites. You can move it easily and it fits in tight areas. This excavator can dig over 4 meters deep and reach over 6 meters across the ground. For a small machine, this is very well. You can dig trenches, place pipes, or clean small areas. The bone and stick move smoothly, so you can dig with good control. When using the controls, the machine reacts fast, but not too fast. It feels safe and very easy to operate, even for long hours. The cab is simple and comfortable, offering a clear view of the work area. The seat is nice and the levers feel light. It is also easy to check the machine every day, since the parts you need to check are low and close. Daily work and maintenance are not a problem. So this is the CAT 307CR mini excavator. A great choice for small areas or daily jobs. If you have any interest, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.